ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Dear children, I once again heartily welcome you all to Samveda E-classes. Be ready with your 4th standard English textbook. Subject English, second language, unit profession of class 4th. Topic The Balloon Man, session 2. Myself Kashifa Anjum, working at GOHPS Ashapur Road, Raichur. In this session, we'll learn bang and a bang rhyme, recapitulation of the previous poem, new words, recitation of poem and some textual exercises. Dear children, now before going to the lesson poem, we'll recite a rhyme. Bang and a bang. There is a cobbler down the street mending shoes for little feet. With a bang and a bang and a bang 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 and a bang and a bang and bang bang bang. Mending shoes the whole day long, mending shoes to make them strong. With a bang and a bang and a bang 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 and a bang and a bang and bang bang bang. There is a cobbler down the street mending shoes for little feet. With a bang and a bang and a bang 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 and a bang and a bang and bang bang bang. Mending shoes the whole day long, mending shoes to make them strong. With a bang and a bang and a bang 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 and a bang and a bang and bang bang bang. Now we'll recapitulate the previous class. Do you remember the questions? Yes. When does the balloon man come to sell his balloons? The balloon man comes on every market days. What different colors of balloons does the balloon man sells? The balloon man sells balloons of red, purple, blue and green. Do you like balloons? What colors do you like? Yes, I do. I like purple color. Where does the balloon man stay? The balloon man stays in Market Square. Very good. You are all good children. You remember all the questions. Now we'll move to the poem. The Balloon Man by Rose Feldman. He always comes on market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. They are red and purple, blue and green, and when it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away. Now we'll see the next 2 stanzas of the poem. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Someday perhaps he will let them go and we shall see them sailing high and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. Now open your book and look at in your book and as well as listen carefully. He always comes on market days and holds balloon a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. They are red and purple, blue and green. And when it is a sunny day, The cards and people get between. You see them shining far away. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Someday, perhaps, he'll let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. Now, we'll see the new words from the poem. New words. Big, big, huge, बड़ा. देखिए ये क्या है? बड़ा है. This is big. This is small. Big means big, huge, बड़ा. Small, tiny, छोटा. Small, tiny, छोटा. देखिए ये क्या है? छोटी सी किताब है, एक छोटी बुक है. Together, jointly, एक साथ. देखिए यहाँ पर ये बच्चे क्या हैं? एक साथ खड़े हुए हैं. Together. String, string means rope, यानी धागा. See here, this is a rope. This is a rope. We called it as string also. Wind, air, हवाएं. This is wind, air, हवाएं. देखिए यहाँ पर हवाएं आ रही हैं. हवाओं से वो पेड़ क्या हैं? हिल रहे हैं. Tug, a strong pull. Tug means a strong pull. खींचना. See here, this boy is pulling the rope. These two boys are pulling the rope. खींचना. ये दोनों लड़के क्या कर रहे हैं? खींच रहे हैं. Sailing, flying, हवा में उड़ना. Sailing means flying. See here, these balloons are sailing, flying in the sky. Stand, be on one's feet. Stand means be on one's feet. खड़ा होना. Stand means खड़ा होना. देखिए ये क्या है? खड़ा हुआ है. ये आदमी खड़ा हुआ है. Stand. This man is standing. Pretty, beautiful, खूबसूरत. See here, this girl is very pretty. This girl is very beautiful. ये लड़की बहुत खूबसूरत है. In the previous class, we read the two stanzas of the poem, The Balloon Man. Now we'll recite the remaining two stanzas. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Someday, perhaps, he will let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Someday, perhaps, he will let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. In the previous class, we had learned how the balloon man comes to the market, where he stays. He stays in the market square, how he sells balloons, what are the colors of the balloon he sells. Now we'll see the next two stanzas. हमने पढ़ा था पहली क्लास में वो गुब्बारे वाला किस तरह से बाजार को आता है, वो कहाँ पे ठहरता है, वो किस तरह से अपने गुब्बारों का बंडल बनाए हुए गुच्छा पकड़े हुए आता है, और उसके कलर्स क्या क्या होते हैं हम उसके बाद का अब पढ़ेंगे. And some are big and some are small. Some balloons are big, some balloons are small. We see some balloons are big and some balloons are small. all tied together with a string. थोड़े बड़े गुब्बारे, थोड़े छोटे गुब्बारे, all tied, बड़े छोटे सब गुब्बारे क्या करते हैं? टुगेदर, एक साथ में बांधा हुआ, टाइड टुगेदर विथ अ स्ट्रिंग, एक धागे से वो बड़े छोटे सब गुब्बारों को बांधे हुए होता है. एंड इफ देर इज अ विंड एट ऑल, इफ द एयर कम्स, इफ द विंड कम्स, दे टग एंड टग लाइक एनीथिंग. दे टग, they pull the with the force of the air, the balloons pull. यानी जब हवाएं आती हैं तो वो बलून्स क्या होते हैं? उड़ते हैं. जब हवाएं आती हैं वो गुब्बारे क्या होते हैं? उड़ते हैं. Someday perhaps he will let them go. यहाँ पर the writer, the poet रोज फेल्डमैन क्या कह रहे हैं? एक दिन वो गुब्बारे वाला अपने गुब्बारों को छोड़ देगा, एक न एक दिन वो अपने गुब्बारों को आजाद कर देगा. एंड वी शैल सी देम सेलिंग हाई, हम उनको आसमान में ऊपर उड़ते हुए देखेंगे. सी हियर, दिस चाइल्ड इज वॉचिंग द बलून्स and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. जब हम वो गुब्बारे आसमान में उड़ते हुए देखेंगे तो वो बहुत खूबसूरत दिखेंगे. When the balloon man let the balloons go fly high, we'll stand below, we'll stand on the earth and see the balloons sailing high in the sky. See here, this girl is watching the balloons which are sailing high in the sky from below and enjoying. Likewise, the poet is saying, if one day the balloon man let the balloons go, we'll see the balloons sailing high in the sky. If the balloons sail high, they look pretty, they look beautiful. जब गुब्बारे आसमान में ऊपर उड़ेंगे तो वो बहुत खूबसूरत नजारा होगा. Now we'll move to the textual exercises. Answer the following questions. In the sports opening functions, balloons are flown in the sky. Why? यानी स्पोर्ट्स ओपनिंग फंक्शंस में हम देखते हैं बलून्स को हवा में उड़ाते हैं, बलून्स को आसमान में उड़ाते हैं. क्यों? किस लिए? बिकॉज इट इज अ हैप्पी ओकेशन, क्योंकि वो बहुत खुशी का मौका होता है. इन द स्पोर्ट्स ओपनिंग functions, balloons are flown in the sky. Why? Because it is a happy occasion. When do the balloons tug? When the wind blows, the balloons tug. When do the balloons tug? वो कब खींचते हैं? When the wind blows, the balloons tug. जब हवा आती है, जब जोर की हवाएं चलती हैं, तब वो बलून क्या होते हैं? खींचते हैं, हवा की रुख की तरफ खींचते हैं. When do the balloons tug? When the wind blows, the balloons tug and tug. How balloons look in the sky? गुब्बारे आसमान में कैसे दिखते हैं, कैसे लगते हैं? The balloons look pretty in the sky. How balloons look in the sky? The balloons look pretty in the sky. ये balloons यानी गुब्बारे आसमान में बहुत खूबसूरत दिखाई देते हैं. You write all these questions and answers in your notebook. Now we'll move to the next activity. Write true or false. Take your pencil, open your book and write true or false. They have given some statement. You have to write whether the statements are true or false. The balloon man skips lunch every day. Does the balloon man skips lunch every day? No. So the statement is false. Write false in your textbook with pencil. False. The answer is false. The balloon man skips lunch every day. No. The balloon man came to the market only in summer. No. He always comes. So this statement is also false. The balloon man always sold red, purple, blue and green colored balloons. No, he sells colorful balloons. The balloon man displayed each balloon separately. No, he had the bundle of balloons tied together. So this statement is also false. The balloons look beautiful if they are let into air. True. If the balloon man let the balloons fly high, they look beautiful. People waited for the balloon man to let the balloons fly. No, the statement is wrong. So we have to write here false. Dear children, now we'll see some rhyming words. Find out the rhyming words from the poem. Underline these words in your textbook. Now we read the remaining two stanzas of the poem. So in the two stanzas we have to find out the rhyming words. Rhyming words are those words which sounds the words which end with the same sound are called rhyming words. The words which end with the same sound are called rhyming words. Small, all. Underline these words in your textbook with pencil. Small, all. String, anything. Go, below. High, sky. Small, all. String, anything. Go, below. High, sky. Now we'll move to the next activity. Write the opposites of. Opposites means अजदाद. यहाँ पर चंद अल्फाज दिए गए हैं, उनके अजदाद लिखने हैं यानी उनकी जिद लिखना है. The opposites words are sell, come, big, high, near. The words are sell, come, big, high and near. So we'll see the answer. What are the opposites of these words? Sell. Sell means यानी बेचना. Buy खरीदना. Sell means बेचना. Buy means खरीदना. Come आओ. Go जाओ. Big बड़ा. Small छोटा. Big यानी बड़ा. Small यानी छोटा. High high ऊपर. लो लो नीचे. Near नजदीक. Far दूर. Sell, buy, come, go, big, small, high, low, near, far. Now we'll see some words with fun. Compound words. Here they have given pictures. We have to and some words. We have to match these words with the correct word to make compound words. Say, see here, they have given some pictures. This and this. Make the word to its word part to make the compound word. You have to match the word to make the compound word. So, see here, this is baseball. Base, ball. Butterfly, butter, fly. These both words are different. If we'll write together, we'll get one word. That is compound word. This is butterfly, butter, fly. Suit, case, suit, case, suitcase. Inch, worm, inchworm. Sun, shine, sunshine. Glue, stick, glue stick. Baseball, butterfly, suitcase, inchworm, sunshine and glue stick. Now let us move to the next activity. Match the picture on the left with the correct name on the right. Match the picture. Here are some pictures. This is banana, lemon, apple, orange, peach, pear, pineapple, plum, strawberry, cherry, grapes and watermelon. There are some words. Some grapes, apple, a peach, a strawberry, a banana, a plum, an orange, a lemon, a watermelon, a pineapple, a pear, and some cherries. So you have to write the correct word here. Now we'll see the answers. Banana, a banana. This is lemon, a lemon. An apple, an orange. A peach, a pear. A pineapple, a plum. A strawberry, some cherries. Some grapes and a watermelon. Banana, lemon, apple, orange, peach, pear, pineapple, plum, strawberry, some cherries, some grapes and a watermelon. Now we'll move to the other activity. Read the given pictures, write the suitable word for each picture in the first box and the correct number in the second box. Here these are some pictures. Here are some pictures. They have given number on the pictures. You have to write the correct number and name of the picture. For example, they have given the example bakery. The number of the bakery is 3. So they have written here as 3. Now we'll see the answers. Write down these answers in your textbook. Stall name and picture number. Flower stall. Number 1 is flower stall. The number of the picture is 1. Gift center. The number of the picture is 2. Bakery. Number of the picture is 3. Provision store. The number of the picture is 4. Hair dressing items. The number of the picture is 5. Fruit stall. The number of the picture is 6. Jewelry shop. Number of the picture is 7. Medical shop. Number of the picture is 8. You have to write these answers in your textbook. Note down these answers in your textbook. Now we'll move to the next activity. Fill in the gaps with a word from the box. Here they have given some statements. We have to fill the word to get the correct sentence or statements. We can buy some painkiller at the... Where we'll buy painkillers? Very good. We'll buy painkillers at pharmacy. That is medical. I am going to the dash bread bakery shop. There are some lovely flowers at the dash flower stall. I bought this gold necklace at a local. The answer is jewelry shop. There weren't any fresh vegetables at the vegetable stall. Lakshmi's hair looks awful. She needs to go to the beauty parlor. Note down these answers also in your textbook with pencil. Now we'll move to the homework. Home assignment. Collect some of the pictures of various professions and make a scrapbook. Collect some pictures of the various professions like doctor, teacher, soldier, farmer and all, and make a scrapbook. Paste those pictures in a book and prepare a scrapbook. Thank you. Be happy. Be safe.
Anudina